So in previous video we have learned impact of jet on one end of the curved plate, but there we considered symmetrical plate, but here we are considering unsymmetrical plate. That means if I am considering an axis, then both sides won't be same. So I am assuming a jet of water with a velocity v strike this end. So let it makes an angle theta with the horizontal. As we all know that the horizontal component will be v cos theta and its vertical component will be v sin theta. So after striking, it will deviate at tangent to the plate. So the plate we consider here is an unsymmetrical plate. If the plate is unsymmetrical plate, then the angle made by tangent at two ends won't be similar. That means horizontally this component will make, we can assume it as a phi. So the angles made by the both components won't be same. So here the horizontal component will be v cos phi and its vertical component will be v sin phi. So our aim is to find the impact of jet. Impact of jet means a force. We are considering force on the x direction. So the equation is m by t into initial velocity minus final velocity. M by t I can directly write as rho a v, and I have to find the initial velocity along x direction. This is the initial velocity, that is v cos theta, minus our final velocity along x direction is v cos phi. Since this is in the opposite direction, I have to put a negative sign here. So our final velocity is minus v cos phi. So I can write rho a v cos theta plus v cos phi. Since v is common here, I can take v outside. So the equation will become rho a v into v cos theta plus cos phi. So I can rewrite as rho a v square cos theta plus cos phi. This is the impact of jet along x direction. Now we have to find the impact of jet along y direction. So as usual, m by t, initial velocity minus final velocity. M by t I am writing as rho a v. Initial velocity along x direction is v sin theta minus final velocity along y direction is v sin phi. Is there any sign change? No, both are in the same direction, so there won't be any sign change. So I can rewrite this equation as rho a v, and I can take v outside, v into sin theta minus sin phi, that is rho a v square sin theta minus sin phi. This is the force exerted in y direction. Actually force along x direction is rho a v square cos theta plus cos phi. This is the impact of jet comes under unsymmetrical plate.